We'll go out for pineapple, my little bubbly-headed bubbly-boo.
Skipper, look.
Analysis.
It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something out of the ordinary, like a malfunction.
I find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys.
Don't look dull. This might get hairy. Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. The bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. But thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
Raise your arms, Maurice. It's more fun when you raise your arms like these. I can fly.
This could be it, Marty. I just want you to know you are truly a one in a million friend.
Thanks, buddy. You're the best ever.
I know you won't mind when I tell you.
Come on, tell me anything. Tell me what.
I broke your iPod.
What?
The buttons were so small. It made me mad.
The horror.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
It was an accident. It was an accident. I'm sorry. Did you do it?
I love you, Gloria. I always have. You look like you love the beach, or a good book, or the beach.
My goodness, doll, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you've had your fun. Pull up. Gear down. Gently now, you just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck, a smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss it. Now just a little break. Just a touch. A little whisper. I believe that's checkmate. Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.
Oh, we're here. What in the world? What happened to the plane?
I'm okay.
What did y'all do to the plane?
Just crash. I'm okay. I'm alive.
See, I can't even sleep for a minute. And you know what? This is not JFK.
Kowalski.
I don't think.
Casualty report.
Only 2 passengers unaccounted for, Skipper.
That's a number I can live with. Good landing, boys. Who says a penguin can't fly?
You see, I can't.
Hey, happy slappers. Is there some reason to celebrate? Look at the plane.
We'll fix it.
Fix it? How are you gonna fix this?
Grit, spin, and a whole lot of duct tape. We should be up and running in, say, 6 to 9 months.
69 months?
No, 6 to 9 months. Kowalski, I say we use this setback to our advantage.
Where do you pull that number out of,
I
huh?
want you to reconfigure the
Great,
design.
that's a great
So start reconfiguring.
How do you estimate that?
You, pretty boy. Why don't you and your friends dig a latrine? Maybe find water.
Hold on a second. Who made you king of the plane wreck?
Excuse me. Fine. You can be in charge. You fix the plane.
Who gives you the authority to put me in charge?
Okay, then. I'll remain in charge.
Yeah, that's right. You will remain in charge.
You and your little hippie friends can stay out of our hair.
Correctamundo. Because I decided to.
Good for you.
Yeah, well, guess what? This discussion isn't over.
Higher mammals, you stay with us. We could use your front cortexes and opposable thumbs.
Phil, I should wash your hands out with soap.